my YouTube video channel of Engineering Graphics and Design subject. Myself Aarti Patel from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. This is 5th session of projection of plane chapter. In this session we are going to solve the example of circular plane which are circle and ellipse. So let us start with circle plane. A circular plate of negligible thickness and 46 mm diameter appear as an ellipse in the top view. Having its major axis 46 mm long and minor axis 28 mm long, draw its front view when the major axis of ellipse makes an angle of 60 degree to VP. Now, as per given data, first list out given 3-stage conditions. Here the plate is circle. The size of circular plate is given 46 mm diameter. As per given data, plate rests on HP. In first stage, it is indirectly given because reduced shape of top view or plan is given. So, the plane is rest on HP. In second stage, surface inclination with HP is not given, but reduced shape in top view or plan is given, which is ellipse. So we need to find out angle with HP. In third stage, we need to take inclination with other plane VP and its angle is given 45 degree. So first draw resting stage top view and front view with reference to XY. Below XY line assume horizontal plane and above XY line assume vertical plane. So first draw true shape in top view below XY line. Draw circle below XY line. The diameter of circle is given 46 mm. Next, this circle divide into equal 8 parts at 45 degree angle and mark here A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H point on the circumference of the circle. This is indicate true shape in top view. Now for front view projection, draw vertical projection line from all points on the circumference of the circle up to XY line. Next, mark elevation points on XY A dash, B dash, H dash, C dash, G dash, D dash, F dash and A dash. Now all elevation points will be projected on XY because the plane is rest on HP. So front view of first stage is straight line. Next, in second stage, we need to take angle condition with HP. But here angle condition with HP is not given, but instead of angle, apparent shape in top view is given, which is ellipse. So first draw ellipse in second stage top view. Now ellipse having major and minor axis. The length of major axis is equal to the diameter of circle and the length of minor axis AE in second stage top view is equal to 28 mm. So first draw horizontal projection line from A, C, E and G point. First locate major axis CG. The length of major axis CG is equal to the diameter of the circle 46 mm. Now on AE projection line, locate minor axis AE. The length of minor axis AE is equal to 28 mm and mark here A and E point. Now here we cannot locate remaining points H, F, B, D in second stage reduced shape. So first draw vertical projection line from A and E point. Keep left side point of the circle A dash on XY line. Measure the length of front view straight line and cut arc on E projection line from A dash point and mark here A dash point. Connect A dash E dash point on A dash E dash line. Take projection of CG point and mark here C dash G dash point. Now measure the distance of BH point from A dash and distance of D dash F dash point from A dash and transfer in second stage inclined front view. Mark here B dash H dash and D dash F dash point. Here the angle with this inclined line is indicate surface inclination with HP theta. Next, for VHDF location in reduced shape, draw downward projection line from B dash H dash and D dash F dash point and draw horizontal projection line from true shape. Here, horizontal and vertical projection line which is intersect at one point. So mark here H, B, D and F point. Connect this all point freehandly in form of curve. So this is indicate reduced shape in top view. Next draw third stage top view and front view. In third stage we need to take angle condition with VP. So redraw second stage reduced shape as per given angle condition with VP. Here 60° angle is given with VP and on 60° angle line we need to keep major axis point CG. Here the length of major axis in true shape and in apparent shape both are same. So true angle with VP is equal to apparent angle with VP is equal to 60. So keep CG point on 60° angle line. From CG middle point, draw AE minor axis. Next, for location of B, D, F and H point, measure the length of this rectangle and transfer this rectangle in third stage inclined top view and mark here B, D, F and H point. Connect this all point freehandly in form of curve which is indicate inclined reduced shape as per given angle condition with VP. Now for apparent shape in front view, draw horizontal projection line from all points of the inclined front view and draw vertical projection line from all points of inclined top view. Vertical and horizontal projection line which is intersect at one point for particular point. So mark here A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash and H dash point. Connect this all point freehandly in form of curve. So this is indicate apparent shape in front view. Next, let us solve example of elliptical plane. An elliptical plane with major axis 70 mm and minor axis 50 mm is inclined to HP such that the top view of the plane is a circle. Draw the projections of the plane when the major axis is inclined at 30° to the VP. Find the inclination of the plane with the HP. Use the concentric circle method to draw the top view of the plane in the initial stage. First, list out given three-stage condition. Here, the plane is ellipse having major axis and minor axis. The size of major axis is given 70 mm and the size of minor axis is given 50 mm. Here, first stage condition, ellipse rests on HP, indirectly given because reduced shape in top view is given. In second stage, surface inclination with HP is not given, but reduced shape in top view or plan is given, which is circle. So we need to find out surface inclination with HP. In third stage, inclination with other plane VP is given 30 degree. So first let us draw top view and front view of resting stage with reference to XY. Here, below XY line, assume horizontal plane and above XY line, assume vertical plane. First, draw true shape of ellipse in top view below XY line. Now, for ellipse drawing, we need to apply concentric circle method as per given data, which is we already studied in engineering curves chapter. So, first locate major axis, and at the center of major axis locate minor axis. Next, mark here major axis point AE and minor axis point CG. Now from this center point, draw one circle which is cover minor axis point CG. Next, draw concentric circle from this center point which cover major axis point AE. Next, divide this circle into equal 8 parts at 45 degree angle. Now, next draw vertical line from major axis division points and draw horizontal line from minor axis division points. Here, this vertical and horizontal line intersect at one point. So mark here B, D, F and H point. Connect A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H in proper sequence in form of curve freehandly. So this is indicate true shape in top view. Now for front view projection, draw upward projection line from A to H point of true shape up to XY line. And mark here elevation point A dash, B dash, H dash, C dash, G dash, D dash, F dash and A dash. Connect this all point in proper sequence in form of line. Here the plane is rest on HP, so front view always straight line on XY. Next, draw second stage top view and front view. Here, surface inclination with HP is not given, but instead of inclination, apparent or reduced shape in top view is given, which is circle. Here, the diameter of circle in reduced shape is equal to the length of minor axis. So first draw horizontal projection line from major and minor axis point A, C, E and G. Next locate CG diagonal line. From this center draw circle. This circle divide into equal 8 parts at 45 degree and mark here A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H point. This is indicate reduce or apparent shape in top view. Now for front view projection, draw vertical projection line from A point up to XY line and keep A dash point on XY line. From E point, draw vertical projection line. Next, take radius is equal to A dash, E dash from first stage front view, center A dash and cut arc on E projection line and mark here E dash point. Join A dash, E dash point. Next, for remaining point location, draw upward projection from BH point and mark here B dash, H dash point. Similarly, draw upward projection from CG point and mark here C dash G dash point. Next, draw upward projection line from DF point and mark here D dash F dash point. The angle of this inclined line is indicate surface angle with HP, which is theta. Next, draw third stage top view and front view. In third stage, we need to take apparent angle condition with VP. So redraw second stage top view as per given angle condition with VP. Here, major axis is inclined at 30 degree to the VP. Now, the length of major axis in reduced shape is less than the length of major axis in true shape. And here, apparent or plane major axis inclination with VP is not given. So, this 30 degree angle indicate true angle with VP. So, keep true length AE on this 30 degree angle line, and the size of AE is given 70 mm. Measure the plane or apparent length of AE from this reduced shape and cut arc on this horizontal locus from A point and locate here E point. Connect AE point, extend AE line from E point up to XY, which is indicate apparent angle beta with VP. Now, next draw perpendicular diagonal line from this center. Draw circle. This circle divide into equal 8 parts and mark here remaining points B, C, D, F, G and H. So this is indicate inclined reduced shape. Now for apparent shape in front view, draw horizontal projection line from inclined front view points and draw vertical projection line from inclined reduced top view points. Here, this horizontal and vertical projection line for particular point which is intersect at one point. So mark here A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash and H dash point. Connect this all point freehandly in form of curve. So this is indicate apparent shape in front view. Now this is the end of this session. See you soon in next coming video lecture. Thank you.